Welcome back to Mind Over Math. In today's lesson, we're mastering one of the most commonly tested and often misunderstood SAT topics, probability. By the end of this video, you will understand what probability really means, learn the basic formula inside and out, solve real SAT-style probability problems, avoid the 3 most common traps, and complete 6 practice questions on your own. Let's get started. So, what is probability? In simple terms, probability is the measure of how likely an event is to happen. It is always a number between 0 and 1. 0 means impossible, like growing wings and flying. 1 means certain, like the sun rising tomorrow. You can write probability as a fraction, decimal, or percent. On the SAT, fractions are most common, but you'll see decimals too. Example, flip a fair coin. Heads is 1 favorable outcome, total outcomes is 2. So the probability of heads is 1/2. That's 0.5 or 50%. Now, let's turn that intuition into a formula you can use every time. Here's the one formula to rule them all. P of event equals number of favorable outcomes over total number of possible outcomes. Favorable outcomes are what you want to happen. Total outcomes are everything that could happen. Example, a bag has 4 red balls and 6 blue balls. What's the probability of picking a red ball? Favorable is 4. Total is 10. Probability is 4 over 10, which simplifies to 2 over 5. Let's level up with SAT-style problems. Example 2. A fair 6-sided die is rolled. What is the probability of rolling a 5? Favorable is 1, total is 6, so the probability is 1 over 6. Example 3. A standard deck has 52 cards. What is the probability of drawing a king? Favorable is 4 kings, total is 52, so the probability is 4 over 52, which simplifies to 1 over 13. Notice how we always simplify fractions. The SAT almost always expects simplified form. There are 2 main types you'll see on the SAT, single event probability and multiple event probability. Here's a multiple choice style example. A box has 3 red marbles, 2 green marbles, and 5 blue marbles. What is the probability of not picking a red marble? Total is 10. Not red is 2 green plus 5 blue, so 7. Probability is 7 over 10. The word not is key. It means you count everything except the unfavorable outcome. Even smart students lose points here. Avoid these 3 traps. Mistake 1, forgetting total outcomes. You must count everything possible, even outcomes you don't want. Mistake 2, mixing up favorable and total. Remember, favorable goes on top. Mistake 3, not simplifying fractions. 4 over 52 is correct, but the SAT expects 1 over 13. Write this down. Favorable over total, simplify, don't rush. Try these 6 questions on your own. Pause the video if you need more time. Question 1. A bag has 5 red and 5 blue balls. What is the probability of picking red? Question 2. A fair die is rolled. What is the probability of rolling an even number? Question 3. A box has 2 white, 3 black, and 5 yellow marbles. What is the probability of not picking yellow? Question 4. A coin is flipped twice. What is the probability of getting heads both times? Question 5. A jar contains 8 green for yellow and 4 orange candies. What's the probability of picking a yellow or orange candy? Question 6. A spinner has 4 equal sections. Red, blue, green, yellow. What's the probability of landing on red or blue? Got your answers? Let's check them. Question 1. 5 over 10 equals 1/2. Question 2. Even numbers are 2, 4, 6, so 3 out of 6 equals 1/2. Question 3. Total is 10, not yellow is 5, so 5 over 10 is 1/2. Question 4. 1/2 times 1/2 equals 1/4. Question 5. Yellow plus orange is 8 out of 16, so 1/2. Question 6. Red or blue is 2 out of 4, so 1/2. Notice how many answers simplify to 1/2. That's not random. The SAT loves clean fractions. Probability isn't about luck. It's about structure. If you remember just one thing from this lesson, remember this. Favorable over total. That single idea will help you solve most SAT probability questions correctly. If you practiced along, you're already improving. Follow Mind Over Math for more SAT math lessons, shortcuts, and full exam strategies. Hit like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next lesson.